Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to know how share it your post on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option. Click on settings. Then scroll down, click on notifications. Okay, tap on more activity about you. Okay, allow notifications on Facebook. This option is enabled. Then turn off, then turn on. That's all. It's notification and someone your post share it and show this option. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.